Hey Petty Fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Clarence NYC with Queen eating the one chip challenge. Let's get into it. Y'all gotta pray for my brother Clarence now, okay? So all y'all that can get a prayer through, come on y'all. I need y'all. Claire needs y'all. Because you know he ain't the type of brother to like to eat hot stuff, okay? I don't like hot stuff either, honestly. I know I got a lot of family, Petty Fam to do. And shout out to y'all. Let me know in the comments if y'all did the one chip challenge before. But yeah. Clare and I should not be doing this, okay? So I'm gonna see if he gonna do it. I think he will do it. I think that it's gonna be difficult. But I think he love us. I think he gonna do it for us, right? Because usually when Claire make like a video and he'll say he gonna do something, he gonna do it. Like a lot of people will like act like they gonna do it and don't do it. But Claire, he a real one. So Claire gonna do it. Now Queen, I can see her doing this easier. You know, she might still think it's hot. But I think she gonna be able to cope with it a little bit better. What y'all think?
Alright, we ready. We at 8.
We ready for y'all. Oh, for the hot chip in this point.
18:11. Let's do it. Chris, we about to do it, Chris. I'm about to do it.
Excuse me, what is the glove? Can y'all explain that? And he coughing already, Lord. This child. Claire. I think his mom needs to get on his live and be like, no. Queen needs to come in. We need Queen. We need the family to come in. He coughing, thinking about it. Oh, dang.
No way! Boy, that shit smell like shit, bro. 4OE TV, appreciate you. Bro, this shit smells like shit, gang. Bro, there's another piece in here. Nah, I'm not doing that piece. That's beast. That's a big ass chip, gang. There's 2 different pieces. It broke, I think. Bro, this shit is black.
That means it's hot, bruh.
Alright, so there's another piece here, right here.
That's the same thing he broke, bruh. Y'all comment below if y'all have done this one chip challenge, if you gonna do it, if you plan to, if you like hot stuff. Talk to me. What's up?
There's no way, bro. Oh man, there's 1,000 niggas in. I should go sub only on y'all. I should go sub only. I should go fucking sub only.
Thank you, Claire, for sharing this on YouTube. We appreciate you, bruh. But y'all go ahead and sub to his thing. Y'all go ahead and go to his live and all that good stuff. Support the brother.
Sub up. We at 1822. Vanessa, appreciate you. For the 5 gifted. My stomach hurt already, gang. I smell this shit.
That should be funny, but it is. You know, we family, so we petty fam. You know, we love them. We love the royal family dearly. But yeah, I told you. If y'all been watching these videos with us, first of all, thank y'all. Okay. Thank y'all very much. We love y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Become part of the petty fam, become part of the royal fam, all that good stuff, right? But anything that y'all know from watching these videos with us is, you know, Clare and Queen, they in love, right? They love the kids, right? Their kids are cute, all that, right? But bruh, Clare, he don't like hot stuff. So why y'all ask him to do this? See, we wouldn't ask you to do that. As petty as we are, you know, it's cruel at this point to ask this brother with the sensitive stomach to you know, he ain't for no hot stuff. You give him hot sauce, you know, he gotta have a special one. He can't get the, you know, the one y'all be really, really doing, right? And I ain't for hot stuff either, so I'm with him, right? But this hot chip challenge, bruh, I'm praying for the kid, y'all.
It stink. Smell like dog food. Should we go sub only? Of course the niggas that's not subbed up is gonna say no. Yeah, if y'all not subbed up, y'all can watch it. Y'all be able to watch it tomorrow, some shit, on YouTube. There's over 1,000 people in here.
Oh, dang. He thinking about it too hard. He really do. You know, you can't be overthinking it. Just put it in your mouth, get you some good milk, chill, take, you know, and you really can't do the little bites because then you gotta finish it, right?
A Sugar Bank, appreciate you. Kiara, appreciate you.
Y'all, I know y'all might know. What is he drinking? Is that some age appropriate stuff or is that soda? Cause I guess y'all let me know. Does liquor make it worse when you eat stuff like that? I know like a soda probably would, right? I don't know. I think you digging a hole, bruh.
He called Menina. Appreciate you, gang. What should we do? Is my mods in here? Is my mods in here? Where's Cat at? Nah, we'll just do it. Let's just do it. Fuck it. All y'all niggas that's in here. We don't gotta go sub only.
Thank you.
fucking Adam's fault, bro. Nigga told me mad shit that happened to him.
Okay. I don't even know if I want to know, but that sounds scary. Like, are you gonna be all right, Claire? Why Adam had to mess this up? Now it's in his head. That's what's making it worse. Adam, why you tell him all this?
Why do I get myself in this shit like this, bro? Couple years when I was on the block just chilling, I didn't expect I would be doing shit like this, man. Chris, appreciate you for the 5. Jazz, appreciate you for the gifted. After I eat this, I'm probably not gonna be able to shout niggas out. Cause I used to be on the block, nigga. Mad did is mad more dangerous shit than this, you heard? In the trap, all that. Oh, fuck!
You can do it. You can do it, Claire. Come on. You got this, bruh. We believe in you. Come on, boo.
All right,
Where Queen at? We need Queen. Queen to make him feel better.
let's do a countdown. Let's do a countdown. Y'all do the countdown. Y'all do it. Y'all do it. I can't do it. Start from 10. Start from 10. Start from 10 right now. Start from 10. 10. 10. 10. Not 3. 10. 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.5, 1.
Come on, baby.
What the fuck? Why did I do this? Yo, bro, anything else I could.
Why is he standing on furniture? Like it's a bug in there. Y'all know, Claire don't like bugs either.
Bro. Get my blueberries.
See, you can't negotiate with them. I don't know. You're live people. They real ones. They real ones. They not gonna let you get out of this. Now, petty fan, we love you. We be like, nah, it's all right, babe. Do something else.
I brought down some blueberries, bro. I need my blueberries. Right here, open.
Somebody said you scary. You thinking about it too much. Just go.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
He did it, y'all. Okay. Good job, Claire. You actually see. That's what I'm telling you. You're real when he actually did it.
That ain't right. That ain't right. No. No.
His tongue turned blue already, y'all.
No. That ain't.
He said somebody call 911. All I know is y'all better clear the bathroom now.
I can't do it. Bro, I did swallow it.
This should not be funny. I'm sorry, y'all. Why y'all do him like this? Y'all make him mad. He can't even yell at y'all because his throat burning. You ain't right.
Don't fucking talk to me. I ain't eat the whole thing. What the fuck? Bro, that shit's getting hotter, bro.
Y'all see him sweating. Leave that boy alone. He ain't gonna make no video for a while after this. Y'all did too much. Y'all pushed him too far.
No way. No way. No way. Where's the... Has it been 5 minutes? I'm not eating the whole chip, bro. I'm not eating that shit, bro. That's dead, bro.
Where Queen at? Can you call Queen? That's why I knew he shouldn't be by himself. Somebody said get some ice cream.
I'm fucking crying. What the fuck?
You know it's serious when he don't care about his hair. He hot. He hot for real. He about to take that shirt off. It's about to be one. He not playing with y'all.
Oh, no. Whoa, what the?
He forgot all about them blueberries. Hit the milk, boo. Get you some milk. He needs some milk. Poor thing. You can't laugh. You see him? He's sweating. You know he don't feel good. It's in his mouth. He can't get it out. It's down his throat. Poor thing.
I didn't cheat, bro. Shut the...
Ooh, he mad. And wait till he hit his stomach.
Fuck up. What the fuck? I didn't fucking eat. At 10:41 I could drink. Oh shit. Holy shit. Oh shit, bro. Oh, that just made it worse. Yo.
He picked up the fan, y'all. Dang. Poor Clare. Why y'all do this to him?
I'm not doing that, bro. I bit it and I ate a piece. Ah! What the fuck, bro? It's getting worse. It's getting worse. I can't. Bro, why is it getting worse? Why is it getting worse? Why is it getting worse?
Bro, if you don't call 911, poor thing. Where is Queen? Is she on tour?
Oh, fuck.
She gonna be in this video. Sis. Girl, if you don't come down here.
Oh, shit. Shut the fuck up, nigga. You ain't no real man. You ain't no real man talking about eat a chip. It be niggas back behind the fucking camera talking about real man eat the fucking chip. I didn't want to do it. It's getting worse, bro. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Niggas don't even give niggas credit, bro. I didn't even want to fucking do it, bro. Oh, blueberries.
I hope the blueberries help.
It's not helping.
I didn't think they was gonna help, but I didn't know it was gonna make it worse. Oh dang! Now he can't eat blueberries no more.
Bro! I look fucking stupid. I probably look fucking stupid right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck is that?
Wrong for this. Why y'all do this to him? Who all signed up for this? Cause y'all know. Oh thing. He's sweating, he's suffering.
Bro. Oh shit. Fucking milk not fucking helping. Shit not fucking help, bro. Calm down. Oh shit.
Y'all trying to find his address. Y'all know y'all just trying to come over. Talking about what's the address. He gonna call 911 for you. Y'all, y'all being petty now.
Time I fucking calm down, it gets fucking worse. Do something. We gotta do something. Oh shit.
See, I said that you need cow milk. That darn nigga almond milk is good for a lot of stuff, but it ain't gonna help you here. It's too thin.
That ain't.
Babe, you doing it?
That ain't right.
Babe.
That ain't right there.
Queen to the rescue. Come on, sis. Come on, baby girl.
That ain't
You
right.
really did it?
Yeah.
Oh, I feel lightheaded. I'm not gonna lie.
Are you throwing? Did you throw up?
Yeah.
I ain't throw up yet.
Yet?
I might.
Oh my God! You really did it?
I might. I ain't do the whole thing. They can call me whatever.
Help, Queen. Help, sis. Please help your man. We can't help him. We ain't there.
How much you did?
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck.
Oh, babe.
I look stupid?
No, you okay?
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Y'all ain't right talking about some tiny bite. What happened if he wanted that? If that little bite or whatever he had made him feel like this, if he ate the whole 2 pieces or a piece and a half or whatever it was, a broken piece, you know that boy be in the scratcher by now. He needs some medical help. So you do what you got to do for yourself, Claire. Please come up with a solution, Queen.
Are you for real? Are you for?
Yes.
Babe, is that bad?
I ain't fucking around.
Oh my God! Drink some milk.
This is not even what I do.
He needs some milk.
The milk not helping.
You need some real milk, girl.
Babe, you want bread? You want crackers?
I'm not gonna lie, I would eat the bread, but
Is it molded?
what's today?
Shoot, the molded bread might help you, bro. Come on now.
What's today?
It's
Beggars can't be choosy, bro. Eat the bread.
the 8th.
The bread say the 4th.
Hey, it's only 4 days late.
Oh,
You'll be okay.
shit.
Now, you know, he ain't got all Atlanta on us now. And, bro, you know you ate some moldy bread. They pass old bread in New York now. Come on now. We all have. Just do it. If you need the bread, eat the
Potato bread.
Thank you, sis.
They say the 4th.
Oh, your booty hole gonna burn. You want me to get you some crackers? Peanut butter?
You wanna try a piece?
Hell to the no. Oh no. I feel like listen. Why y'all make him do that?
Thank you, Queen. Why y'all make him do that? Y'all know Claire. Y'all ain't right. Now who gotta deal with it? Queen. She the one gotta clean up the mess that people made having this boy do this.
Oh shit. My head.
What, babe?
Like my head feel hot right now. I'm hot.
Oh my God, you are hot. Did it give you a fever? Oh, I'm sorry, honey bun. Eat the ice cream.
Y'all assholes.
They sure are. You be there for your man, sis.
Cause y'all didn't do it.
Nope.
Y'all had me do it.
Yeah.
Babe, eat the ice cream. Eat it all up.
Yeah, we not even at 2K anymore.
You did this and you're not at 2K?
We're at 1844.
So you did this for no reason?
Could you believe that?
Ain't no way you did this for no reason.
Could you believe that shit?
Did it go back down?
Y'all niggas ain't getting shit for 5K. Yeah, I ain't eating nothing else for no bowl.
You want me to taste it? Oh God.
Go ahead, taste it.
No.
Taste it
I'm
from
not doing
there,
that. I gotta wake the kids up in the morning. Oh, babe, look at me. Look at my eyes. Let me make sure your vision is your vision okay?
Yeah, I'm straight. Put up a number.
Oh my God, babe. Oh my God.
7.
Babe, this is not 7. This is not 7.
You put them up late. That's 8.
Is it? Yeah.
Oh, my little queen. She like... She's trying to make him laugh so he calm down. That's how you distract folks when they going through stuff.
I mean, it's not funny, but dang. Wow.
Well, try it. You try it.
Hell to the no.
Come on, I don't want to be the only one.
Dang.
Don't touch it with your finger.
So what did you touch it with?
Queen's a real gangster.
Yeah.
Let me see if you just faking.
We said that. We said Queen is a real gangster. Like
No, I'm just playing. I'm not gonna do it.
You not gonna do it?
I'll lick it.
Lick it.
What's wrong? What you looking for? Oh God. Why you burping?
Because
he was burping before it started, child.
niggas think I'm dramatic.
Is that a yard glove?
Niggas think I'm dramatic. It's new.
Did you get it off the floor? We ain't gonna tell Queen. I mean, if she gotta eat the thing, she gonna find out when she watched the video. Can't do nothing to help you, girl.
You can't touch it.
That's a Jeffrey Dahmer glove.
You can't touch it with your hand. Babe, they think I'm playing. Just take a little nip.
Let me just lick it.
You can't touch it.
Why can't I touch it?
Because then if you touch your face or your eyes, are gonna
I
burn.
could wash my fingers.
No, babe, just put this on. Put your thumb through.
See, he love you. He trying to make you not cross-contaminate yourself.
Babe, This is my thumb.
Hey, your thumb is gonna go here.
Oh, okay.
See, yeah, I think.
But I don't know if who signed me up for this. Let me just lick it.
You think I'm faking?
Let me lick it.
You think I'm faking?
No, I think you're. No.
It's getting better though. Hold on.
I gotta wax my armpits.
Fuck.
Babe, why do you have blueberries down here?
I thought it was gonna help. I don't know why.
Like. I wanted some cereal.
Oh, so when it's Queen, it's don't do it. Queen don't do it. Clarence do it.
Pretty much, y'all know they love Queen. They love Queen more than they love anybody. So yeah, that part. But to their defense though, Queen got to sing though. You know, and if people around here losing their voice and stuff, we don't want that to affect her voice, right? Right? Y'all with us? But Queen gonna do it. She gonna be good because she a G.
Because you're a man. I gotta.
That's crazy, gang. Niggas got me drooling on myself. That's fucking gang. That's fucking crazy.
Somebody said we gonna fight if you give it to her. But you know, to that point though, to me, if my man have a problem with something, I don't want him to make me do it, right? If you don't want to do it, don't make me do it. That's just me. I don't know. I ain't gonna do it if I don't want to do it. No way. But I think Queen will be alright.
You can't even get his words right.
But I'm gonna throw it a little no.
Y'all petty. Why y'all like we like Queen? How you on this man's channel telling them that you like Queen? If you on Clare channel, you should like Clare too. Nah, they a package deal. You like them both.
It's like the less green shit.
Dang, that's the first time your tongue ever been white.
Hey, I really don't think you should eat it, but
I'm not gonna eat it. I'm gonna lick it.
don't touch it. All right, so just put your tongue on it. See, you think now you're nervous. You nervous?
Yes. Babe, be honest, like.
Why she got on the table trying to lick it? She funny.
Baby, your chin is on it.
Oh, hell no. Hell no, that stink. Oh, hell no, that stink. Absolutely the hell not. Oh no. Oh no.
It's finally getting better. Wait, what?
Oh no, absolutely not.
It's finally getting better, gang.
You know what it smells like?
Oh, I forgot I got ice here.
Very potent, like very potent, like very. Babe, that's gonna make it worse.
I think she can handle spicy too. I'm with y'all. I think she can do it.
I'm good now.
How long did it last?
How long was that? How long was it? That was that? Was that like 10 minutes?
Oh shit!
What's wrong, man? You did it?
It just touched a little bit of my tongue.
It burned?
Yes, it burns.
It can't OD?
Oh my god, it burns.
Like just the tip of your tongue is burning?
Honestly, God, my tongue is burning.
I told you. Bro, that shit, don't do that shit.
Is it gonna get worse? Because it's like going down my throat.
It gets worse. But
why you make me do that? Oh my god.
I wasn't even paying attention.
Oh no. Oh. And I was on a cleanse and I can't eat nothing.
All you do is lick it.
I
swallowed
it. My tongue.
I swallowed it. Nah, I don't think she should eat
Queen's face. Yeah, don't mess up your cleanse for this mess, girl.
it, bro.
Put the fan on my tongue. No, it's dust on here. Oh no, if you ate this and this went down.
Y'all pay you talking about the most dramatic couple. Y'all leave them alone. I mean, if you ain't did this challenge, that's one thing. But don't be calling them out like that.
Your esophagus? This went down your esophagus?
I only ate a piece, too. I only bit a piece.
Oh, wow.
Let me see the clip of that. Let me see the clip. Look, you ain't swallow it. I swallowed the piece that I ate. Yes, I did spit out a little bit, but I ate the piece that I. You good?
Yeah.
First of all, don't y'all make CJ do this. I'm gonna fight y'all. Don't do this. Y'all leave CJ out of this.
It's hot.
You turning red like you.
Stop. Am I?
Your eyes are watery.
I just licked it and the bottom of my tongue. I know that.
You licked it again?
No, not no.
Oh.
I know if I put my finger on here and accidentally touch anything on my body,
That's why they say wear gloves.
it will burn.
If you touch your eye and shit, it'd be. At least it didn't last that long. I'm not gonna lie.
Somebody says she's so dramatic. I'm not gonna lie, this is hot though. I don't know if it's this or the smoke down here. Is it smoke?
You know what, y'all? Queen is petty fam, okay? We didn't know he smoked down there. She said the smoke kind of thick though. She said it might be the chip, it might be the smoke. It's something down here that's making me cough.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. Ooh, I still feel it. If I would have ate that whole chip, bro, that shit would have probably lasted for like an hour, bro. And I'm not with that, bro. I'm not with that. Like, I got a family.
Clarence, what does that have to do with anything?
I don't know.
I told y'all she petty. I was thinking it. I wasn't gonna say it. I respect, but you know, technically, he said I got a family. Like it's gonna take him out. Like he gonna be out for 3 days in the hospital or something, bruh.
Nah, they need to quit playing on your top and get back to 2K.
We at 1858, gang. We need that two. Yo, bro. Resub.
Wow, that's crazy.
Resub up, bro. Resub up. Say resub. Say sub up. Say sub the fuck up.
Sub the fuck up.
I like how you said it too. You said it confused. Like, why didn't I?
Yeah, sub up, subscribe, petty reaction. Let's go.
Subbed up type shit. Sub the fuck up.
Sub that up.
Oh my god.
Somebody said, I never heard Queen curse.
Y'all ain't be listening.
Whole nother unopened chip. If you want to do that for your channels or something.
Reaper pepper, scorpion pepper.
Hey, do me a favor.
Do not eat if you are sensitive to spicy foods.
Wait, can you do me a favor?
What?
I eat Clare. Why y'all make him do this?
Can you get my toothbrush?
I'm saying. Dad, I can't eat this. I'm pregnant. I'm just playing.
Girl, quit playing with us like this. She but being silly now.
Babe, stop. Stop. That
Oh,
was,
trust me, I don't.
that was like,
Trust
bro.
me.
You trying to make the vlogs. Yo, bro, can you
Babe, where your toothbrush?
It's on the 3rd floor.
You can.
And my tongue scraper. My tongue's burning.
Let me see it. me go. Let me back out so they don't look at my butt.
Let me see. Let me see your butt. Oh shit. I ain't fucking with y'all niggas. Bro, that shit really fucking.
Yeah, you know, he did pretty well after initial, like, you know, set it in. Because I thought it was going to mess his stomach up, so.
Bro. Like, I can't even focus. Like, the chat look blurry.
I'm out of breath. Hi guys.
Hey, sis. What's up, girl?
Just here.
We glad you're here, Queen. What's going on, girl?
How are you guys?
She's so sweet. Her man back there suffering and she asking us how we are. See, she a good hostess. We good, Queen. Thanks for asking.
Yeah, the toothpaste burned.
He tried to rinse his tongue off, y'all. She just like, okay, I can't help you.
It burn, babe? Babe, burn?
The toothpaste, yeah.
Did you slap her in this milk? My ice cream. You got a piece of gum?
She's so sweet. She's trying to give him something else. She's trying to straighten up.
Here if you would like.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, new milk. Just for the day. Y'all can throw it away later, but he can need some new milk. And drop that apple, Queen. We can't wait.
So y'all, you brushed? You want this piece of gum? Oh, babe, it's okay.
Look, Queen, the thing ain't that bad. Yeah, alright.
Babe, let's be honest. How small was the piece that you swallowed?
That shit was small. I'm not gonna lie.
Show me the piece that you swallowed.
Think about it. It's this size, right? This is the size of the chip.
Okay.
That's a piece of it. This is the other piece. The rest I ate.
Stop lying, for real?
Look, I swear to God. I ate this piece right here. Look, see the bite?
So it's supposed to be, so you ate that small piece,
It was
right?
like this. It was a triangle.
Somebody said, how how can he show the piece he ate? Just go ahead and throw the rest of it away. Just let her think you ate the other half, bro. It's okay.
So you ate that whole piece?
Yeah, it was a triangle.
So what is that?
Let me pick it up to show you.
What is this right here?
This shit stink.
I know it smells potent. Like, it smells like cigarette ashes.
Gotta remember how it was. It was a whole triangle, gang.
All right, if you say so, we with you. Yeah, a little bit or a lot, it still was bad.
I hate y'all, bro.
Where the piece you swallowed?
I hate y'all. Cause I do some shit like that and y'all not even giving me credit. What is that?
Where the piece you swallowed it?
Babe, what?
She's so silly. It's coming soon, Queen.
Somebody said you spit it out. Did you?
Yeah.
Because I'm going to be honest. So you didn't swallow it.
No, but I swallowed a little bit. Babe, that shit is bad. Like, do you not understand what that shit is bad, bro.
Who's being petty tired it was a crumb? Y'all ain't right.
First of all, they call it the one chip challenge. This is the size of 5 chips.
So, I knew this looked like it was.
Hell yeah, I spit that shit out.
Why he got a damn pose on? He mad. He mad for real.
I knew that. Like, I'm gonna be honest. Even if you,
I'm not redoing
it. Even if you did spit it out, you're not at 2K yet. So.
I'm not redoing it. I definitely swallowed something. I didn't swallow the whole piece I bit, but I definitely swallowed something. I changed my fucking shirt.
He said, I saw something. Change your shirt, bro.
So, hold on. I'm back.
Hey, spit that out. He spit that out. He spit it out, y'all. Queen, did you? If Queen eats it, I'll give it 100. I'm not eating it. I gotta wake up and take the kids to school in the morning. I don't got time for my booty hole to be burning. I'm already doing a detox.
That part.
No. How did you know it was over here?
Nigga, it's a small ass room.
She playing hide and seek. She's so funny.
How'd you know? When'd you see it?
Yeah, I see your ass right there.
Wait, you see my butt from right here?
I was right here.
My butt that big?
Babe, it's sticking out the.
I was trying to prank you last minute. Well, that's the way the chip crumbles.
All right, like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the notice.